Transform your mornings like a CEO. Here are 5 powerful breathing exercises practiced by the successful leaders before 8 a.m. Starting your day with intentional breathing can drastically improve your mental clarity, energy level, and overall sense of well-being. These exercises are simple yet effective, designed to prepare you for a productive day ahead. Whether you're gearing up for important meetings or need to maintain a calm, focused mind, incorporating these breathing techniques into your morning routine can help you achieve peak performance. Now let's dive into these practices. The first breathing practice is one of my favorite because everybody can do it easily and effortlessly. It's called diaphragmatic breathing. Now, diaphragmatic breathing is just simply breathing into your belly. If you place your hands down into your lower belly on, say, your belly button, and you breathe into your hands, you're going to feel the belly expanding and the breath expanding into the hands. This is how you start breathing diaphragmatically. It is a wonderful way to practice and has an immediate net positive result on the parasympathetic nervous system, that part of your nervous system that goes into rest and digest. Crocodile pose is a yoga pose where you lie on your stomach and you place your hands on top of each other and your forehead comes on top of your hands. This is a great way to start breathing because in this way, you can breathe fully and deeply into the bottom part of your lungs. So I highly recommend doing crocodile pose. The next exercise is called box breathing. Now, box breathing is simply following the flow of your breath, so still using diaphragmatic breathing. But what you're doing here is you're breathing in a ratio of 1, 1, 1, and 1. And what that simply means, you breathe in for 4 counts, you're going to hold the breath for 4 counts, then exhale for 4 counts, and then hold the breath out for 4 counts. So an example of that, let me do it with you. So we're going to inhale. And then exhale out. Isn't that amazing how quickly that breath has a positive effect on your nervous system? Imagine if you do that for a few minutes, how much more focused you're going to be, how much more calm you're going to be. And when you have a calm mind, everything in life comes into better and sharper focus. The next breath is called alternate nostril breathing, otherwise known as NADI SHODANA. Now, NADI SHODANA is a wonderful breathing practice. You just simply take your hands, you bring the index finger and middle finger into your palm, and you kind of make a clothespin pincher with your ring finger and pinky finger and thumb. So if you want to do that, you just kind of pinch your nose. Now, you're going to open up the right nostril and breathe through the right nostril in, and then block both nostrils and unblock the left nostril and exhale through left. Then inhale through left. Block both nostrils and then unblock the right and exhale through the right. This breath and breathing in this way for 4 minutes, an enormous effect on the way that your nervous system is. It'll balance your nervous system. It'll balance or both hemispheres of the brain. The fourth breathing practice that we're going to share with you guys today is called the 4-7-8 practice. This practice is great for anybody who is really stressed out or really needs to get calm quickly. Let's practice this together, okay? So we're going to inhale for 4, hold for 7, and then exhale for 8, all right? So inhale for 4. Use this practice if you ever feel stress during the daytime. If you feel unfocused, unbalanced, set your timer for 2 or 3 minutes. Close your eyes, go inward, and start doing this practice. Guys, the 5th practice I want to give to you is a practice in gratitude. I know that the practice of gratitude for so many has become cliche. If we all sincerely practice gratitude, this world would look like a very different place. And I have a free affirmation series out there. Contact me if you'd like to access it. It is free. It's a 28-day affirmation series. But one of the affirmations is about gratitude, and I'd like to share that with you. So I want to invite you just to close your eyes, listen to the words, place your hands on your heart, and feel the words. Feel this affirmation of gratitude as I repeat it to you. I am content in this moment. I have gratitude for where I have been and where I am right now. I feel that contentment and gratitude spread throughout my body like a pleasant wave. I'm going to say that one more time. I am content in this moment. I have gratitude for where I have been and where I am right now. I feel that contentment and gratitude spread throughout my body like a pleasant wave. These practices only work if you use them, so please use them. As I mentioned earlier, if you're feeling stressed, or even if you're not feeling stressed, set your timer for 3 minutes. Those 3 minutes can change the course of your life. Why? Because you change your momentum and you change the way that you respond to external events. Remember to comment that below, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.